Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off TikTok screen time. So screen time on TikTok is a feature where you can set a time limit or screen time limit of your TikTok usage. So if you want that remind yourself to not using TikTok a lot, you can use this feature or use the screen time feature to limit or set a certain time. So if you want to turn the timer off, the screen time off, you can follow the steps right here. So let's launch the TikTok app first, and then you can just go straight to your profile, and in here you can click on this three lines icon at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy. And to find the screen time, you can just scroll down, and here you can find it under the content and display options. So tap on screen time, and as you guys can see, I've already set my daily screen time. So if you want to turn off or remove that, you can just click on this, or you can also just like to take a break. You can also set screen time breaks if you want to, and also there's also sleep reminders in here. But if you want to turn the screen time off, you can click on this, and you can see this is the screen time limits here. This is my screen time limit, and if you want to turn it off or you want to edit, you can click on this, edit a daily screen time. But if you want to remove it, you can just click on this circle until it turns to gray like this, and now the screen time has been off. And if you want to turn it back on, you can just go to the same step. You can click on this and set the time by clicking on this circle. So let me recap the steps again. If you want to turn off the TikTok screen time, you can just open your TikTok, head to your profile, and then go to the settings and privacy and find screen time, and click on this daily screen time. And then to turn it off, just click on this little circle in here from blue until it turns to gray like this. So that means it's off. So that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on like, leave a comment if you have questions, and also click on the thanks and subscribe button below. Bye.